Right. So this is the problem. Solve the equation. Given that the roots of the equation are in AP. So in the previous question they asked sum of the two roots is 0, product of the two roots is 3. Like that they asked the problems. But in this problem they given the roots of this equation are in AP, are in GP, are in HP. So they can ask like that. So this is the given equation. So cubic equation. So there are 3 roots. So how you take the 3 roots? Let the roots of this equation B. How you take the 3 numbers in AP? A minus D, A plus D, A minus D, A plus D. If 3 numbers are in AP, their common difference is same. A minus of A minus D, D. A plus D minus A, D. So, they are in AP. So, the roots of the equation are in AP. So, we can take it as A minus D, A plus D. So, why we are taking this one? See, what is the S1? S1. A minus D plus A plus D equal to minus 24 by 4, that equal to 6. DD cancel, 3A equal to 6. A equal to 2. So we got the one root, A equal to 2. So the roots of the equation are A minus D, A plus D. So we can take it as S1. So directly we got the A value 2. Now we have to get the D value. Now take S3. What about S3? A minus D into A plus D equal to, what are the product of roots? S3. S1 minus 1. S3 also minus 18 by, what is the x2 quotient? 4. Don't forget this one, x2 quotient 4. That equal to minus 9 by 2. A into A square minus D square equal to minus 9 by 2. What is the A value? 2. 2 into 2 square. 4 minus D square equal to minus 9 by 2. 4 minus D square equal to minus 9 by 4. 4 minus D square equal to minus 9 by 4. Then D square equal to 4. This minus will come this way. Plus 4 plus 9 by 4. Take the LCM. 16 plus 9 are equal to 25 by 4. D square equal to 25 by 4. D equal to plus or minus square root of 25 by 4 are equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. So D equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. If B equal to 5 by 2, B equal to plus 5 by 2, the roots are A minus B, A plus B. What is the A value? 2. 2 minus 5 by 2. 2 comma 2 plus 5. 4 minus 5. Minus 1 by 2 comma 2 comma 4 plus 5. 9 by 2. So these 3 are the roots. If B equal to minus 5 by 2, then also we get the same roots. If D equal to minus 5 by 2, then also we get the same roots. So the roots are minus 1 by 2 to 9 by 2. Right. See this problem. Solve the equation x cube minus 7x square plus 14x minus 8 equal to 0. Given that the roots are in GP. In the previous problem they asked the roots are in AP. Here they are asking the roots are in GP. So this is the cubic equation. So there are 3 roots. Those 3 roots are in GP. See, let the roots of this equation be A by R comma a comma here, a by r comma a comma here. So these three roots are in GP. How you take the three numbers are in GP? Their common ratio is same. A by r, that is the r. AR by a r. Common ratio is same. So those three roots are in GP. So what is the benefit why we are taking this one? Now take S3. What is S3? Product of the roots. A by r into a into r equal to minus r minus 8 by x cube quotient 1 that equal to 8. R gets cancelled. A cube equal to 8 that equal to 2 cube. A equal to. So we got one root. Right. Now take S1. So in this case also S1, S3, previous problem also, in this problem also S3, S1. A by R plus A plus R equal to minus R minus R by 1. And equal to take A comma 1 by R plus 1 plus R equal to 7. What is the A value? 2 into 1 plus R square by R equal to 7. 2 plus 2R plus 2R square equal to 7. So 2R square plus 2R plus 2 minus 7R equal to 0. 2R square minus 5R plus 2 equal to 0. That is the quadratic equation now. So factorize that one. 2 into 2, 4. So 2R square minus 4R minus R plus 2 equal to 0. Take 2R common. R minus 2 minus 1 common. R minus 2 equal to 0. 2R minus 1 into R minus 2 equal to 0. That implies R equal to 1 by 2 comma 2. R equal to 1 by 2 comma 2. So if R equal to 1 by 2, if R equal to 1 by 2, the roots are A by R comma A comma A. A means 2 by 1 by 2 comma 2 comma 2 into 1 by 2. That is 4 comma 2 comma 1. Suppose you have taken R equal to 2. Then also same. 2 by 2, 1, 2, 4. Here we got roots 4 to 1. If R equal to, we get the roots 1 to 4. The same roots. So the roots are 1, 2, 4. Right. Okay, students, see this problem. Solve the equation 6x cube minus 11x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. Whose roots are in HP? In the previous problems, the roots are in AP, the roots are in GP. In this problem, the roots are in HP. So, whenever they are asking the problem, the roots are in HP, first take f of x. F of x equal to 6x cube minus 11x square plus 6x minus 1 equal to 0. That will be the equation 1. Whose roots are in HP. Whose roots are in HP. Now put x equal to 1 by 1. F of 1 by 1 equal to 6 into 1 by 1 whole cube minus 11 into 1 by y whole square plus 6 into 1 by y minus 1 equal to 0. This f of 1 by y I am taking as g of y, that is the function of y. 6 by y cube minus 11 by y square plus 6 by y minus 1 equal to 0. That is y cube. 6 minus 11y plus 6y square minus y cube equal to 0. That is cross multiply this one. 6 minus 11y plus 6y square minus y cube equal to 0. Multiply with minus sign, y cube minus 6y square plus 11y minus 6 equal to 0. So this is the g of y, whose roots are in. So here we take in the reciprocal. So here these roots are in HP. So for this equation, the roots are in AP. If 1, 2, 3 are roots are in AP, then take the reciprocals. They are in HP. So let it be the equation 2. The roots of equation 2 are in AP. Are in AP. Let the roots be a minus b comma a plus b. S1 equal to a minus b plus a plus b, that equal to minus of minus 6 by 1. Minus of minus 6 by 1. dd gets cancelled. 3a equal to 6. Here also a equal to 2. Now take S3. A minus d into a plus d equal to, what is S3? Minus of minus 6. Minus of minus 6. A into a square minus d square equal to 6. 2 into 4 minus d square equal to 6. 4 minus d square equal to 2. So d square equal to 4 minus 3 1. D equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, the roots of equation 2 are a minus b, a plus b. Take d equal to 1. If d equal to 2 minus 1 comma 2 plus 1 comma 2 comma 3. These are the roots of the equation 2, but we require the roots of the equation 1. Therefore, the roots of given equation one are, take the reciprocals of this one. 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3. That is the roots of the given equation. So whenever they are asked in the HP, first convert into the reciprocal equation. Put x equal to 1 by 1. So the equation 2 will come. The roots are in AP. Solve the roots of the equation are in AP. And then at the last, take the reciprocal.